Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Shimi's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I make kada. This is a gharelu nuskha which helps when you got a slight sore throat due to climatic changes. I always think how I can control my cough and cold naturally, but this kada helps me to get rid of cough and also cold. Some people regularly drink it for immunity. It is a strong mix of spices with jaggery or honey. In case of chronic infection, you must consult a doctor. This is a gharelu nuskha. It cannot replace a doctor's advice. So let's begin the process. Bismillah. Add 1 teaspoon peppercorn in a mortar pestle, 2-inch ginger, crush this nicely, and next I'm adding 1 teaspoon Ajwain. Combine these 3 ingredients and crush it nicely. And now I'm adding 2 to 3 glasses of water in a pan. Add 6 to 8 cloves, some fresh Tulsi leaves, 2 to 3 crushed cardamoms, 2-inch cinnamon, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it up nicely and bring it to boil. And next I'm adding crushed ginger. Mix well and cook this for 3 to 4 minutes in a slow flame. And to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon jaggery or palm candy, or you can also use honey once you strain this kada. And now mix well and boil until it reduces to half. And now switch off the flame and strain the kada to a sieve and serve immediately. This is a strong spice blend. It increases immunity during winters. However, it is not a medicine. In case of infection, visit a doctor. Low immunity often shows up as cold and cough if not taken care. So this kada may increase your immunity. So make sure you try this recipe and stay healthy. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.